Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the rivets. Unscrew the middle of the rivet while applying pressure to the outer rim. Once the middle is pulled out, you can then pry out the base of the fastener.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Pull back the trunk lining to gain access. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it.
You'll notice there's a bolt right here. We need to take this one out.
Remove the bolts that secure the housing by turning them counterclockwise. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle. Replace the bolts that secure the housing by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the housing is secure.
Reconnect the bulb housing. Fold the trunk lining to its original position. Replace the rivets. Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place.